Epic Systems tutorial for beginners. So the first thing that you need to do is log into Epic. Open Epic Hyperspace on your workstation. Then enter your organization provided username and password and complete multi-factor authentication if required. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Epic home screen. Epic Access is managed by your healthcare organization and training is typically required before login credentials are issued. Step 2. Search for a patient. Click Patient Lookup or use the search bar. Search by patient name, medical record number, date of birth. Select the correct patient to open their chart. Step 3. Review the patient chart. Inside the chart, you can typically view medical history, allergies, current medications, lab results, vital signs, previous visits, and clinical notes. Step 4. Document the visit. Depending on your role, you may create or edit a clinical note, record vital signs, update medications and allergies, enter diagnosis, and save and sign your documentation when finished. Documentation workflows differ by department and user permissions. Step 5. Complete your workflow. Common final tasks include schedule follow-up appointments, place medication, lab or imaging orders, review your inbox for messages, and log out when you're finished to protect patient information. Note that Epic is used by hospitals and clinics, and each organization customizes it differently. The screens and workflows you see may vary depending on your employer and your role. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.